The iPhone SE2 device has not yet been announced by an American company, but the first information about the future gadget appeared on the network. Data on the new smartphone from Apple was shared by analyst Min-Chi Kuo. Details appeared on the iPhone SE2 smartphone. According to an insider, the presentation of the new items is scheduled for 2020. By design, the iPhone SE2 will resemble the iPhone 8 and iPhone 11. The device will receive wide frames, and the home button with a fingerprint scanner will be located on the front of the case. Instead of the usual USB Type-C for the latest models, the Lightning connector will be located at the bottom of the smartphone. The smartphone will have a 4.7-inch screen and 3 GB of RAM. In addition, the device is equipped with a camera with LED flash. The quality of the pictures taken promises to be at the level of the best iPhone models.